Hey guys, I crashed today. It wasn't my board. It wasn't, it was just, I was going uphill, maybe like 20 miles per hour, and my board started slipping. And I don't know, I'm thinking it could be the traction control I had on VSC, but it was sort of weird how I crashed because my board started losing traction, right? So I had a few scratches, right? And I was wearing this motorcycle, off-road motorcycle jacket. It's got elbow pads, shoulders. So look at that. Had I not worn this, this is a full, like, super hard pad. My shoulder would have gone, you know, pretty bad. But look at my shoulder. Absolutely nothing. My elbows, absolutely nothing. I guess I slid through my elbows, so I still had like a minor scratch, just a very minor, but this pretty much saved my shoulders, my elbows. Let me show you my board real quick. So I guess my board probably flipped a few times, but my board was fine. It didn't you know, it didn't, it just flipped by itself. It was still running after taking a look at my board here. It really scraped the front there, and also here and there. So it must have flipped by itself after I crashed. But basically, my board started slipping. I think when I was going left or right, I'm not exactly sure. But I basically did a flip over my shoulders, and I'm okay now. So last time I fell and I broke my rib, it was actually from the VSC settings. So I highly recommend, I'll have another video on it, but I have like 2 motorcycle jackets I wear if you're gonna go faster than 20 miles per hour on an electric skateboard. I mean, on a small hub motor, or like if you got like one of those boosted, even if you're gonna take it all the way, you know, you'll probably want to consider investing into a motorcycle jacket, because it saved my shoulders, my elbows, and it really just saves you from the crash. And I just have minor, very minor scrapes, right? This motorcycle jacket I paid $400. This is an off-road jacket. It's really nice. It's also got padding for your back, and also where your ribs are. It's got pretty much padding everywhere. So if you go to a motorcycle jacket store, you can find the off-road one. This is the All-Stars. Now I have this other one. This one also has elbow padding and shoulder padding, but this one doesn't have rib padding, right? So you got to protect your ribs, your back. This one also doesn't really have backs. So something like this is gonna really protect your, so you can ride. You know, tomorrow I'm gonna go ride again. Also, I have my knee pads on, which save me. Anyway, I just want to share that with you. A very bad accident just turned into a very minor scrapes, thanks to my awesome motorcycle off-road jacket, All Stars. Yeah, baby.